Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into the best 3D printers of 2024. We'll be looking at some impressive models known for their high performance and innovative features. The Sovol SV08, original Prusa XL, Mingda Magician X2, Snapmaker J1, and Creality Ender-5 S1. Let's take a closer look at these amazing printers. Original Prusa XL. This new model from Prusa, staying true to its classic design and colors, stands out with its robust and high-quality build. The original Prusa XL features a sturdy construction made of steel, aluminum, and PTG printed parts. Its C-shaped frame provides easy access to the printer, while the LED lights offer sufficient illumination for observation and camera needs. Linear rails ensure smooth movement, and there are only two Z-axes. The XL is extremely user-friendly thanks to its automatic bed leveling feature. The printer automatically handles bed tram and Z-height adjustments. The load cell sensor that physically touches the bed surface provides accurate measurements for a perfect first layer. The modular system of the Prusa XL supports 5 independent tool heads. This allows you to use 5 different colors of the same material or various materials in a single print. Additionally, the spacious 360 x 360 by 360 mm build volume is among the largest in its price range. The printer has a selectively heated bed composed of 16 separate segments. This design reduces energy consumption when printing small objects and optimizes temperature control for different materials. The Prusa XL is notable for its speed and precision when printing with a single filament. The Prusa Slicer software enhances the user experience by offering 3 different modes, catering to users of all levels. When printing with dual filaments, it showcases its ability to handle complex models with ease. One of the shortcomings of the XL is the lack of an enclosure. Additionally, the tool head mounting system can be somewhat challenging during the initial setup and may raise concerns about long-term durability. However, aside from these minor issues, the XL is an extremely adaptable and sturdy machine for both individual users and businesses. The original Prusa XL, with its large build volume and multi-filament capabilities, is an excellent choice for professional users. Snapmaker J1. This printer stands out from many other dual extrusion 3D printers with its true IDEX system, meaning the 2 heads can move independently. This offers a significant advantage over a single-head dual nozzle system. The Snapmaker J1 features a fully enclosed system, giving it a professional appearance. The 2 transparent doors at the front make it easy to monitor prints, while the removable top allows for necessary airflow when printing materials like PLA. For more advanced materials like ABS, the enclosed design significantly reduces warping and other print issues. Models for the J1 are loaded using Lubin software. You can upload your files to Lubin, adjust the settings, and wirelessly send them to the printer. If you prefer a more manual approach, you can transfer the file to a USB stick and load it onto the printer. The IDEX system allows for printing with 2 different materials simultaneously, a significant advantage over standard dual extrusion systems. While the print speeds aren't the fastest on the market, they are quite impressive for IDEX systems. With acceleration up to 10,000 mm/s2 and a standard print speed of 350 mm/s, you can achieve fast and high-quality prints. For dual material prints, the copy and mirror modes effectively double the print volume. The Snapmaker J1 can heat its hot end up to 300 degrees C and its dual-sided PEI glass print platform up to 100 degrees C. The hot ends are easily swappable, allowing you to use different nozzle diameters. Nozzle wipers clean the nozzles after each print, making a significant difference in the dual material system. The Snapmaker J1 is a reliable, fast, and excellent quality IDEX printer. Despite some minor issues with the Lubin software overall, this printer ranks among the best in its class. If you are looking for a multi-material printer, the Snapmaker J1 is one of the best options in terms of price and quality. Creality Ender-5 S1. This printer, stands out from standard Cartesian printers, with its unique design featuring a print head that moves along the X and Y axes and a print bed that raises along the Z axis. This design enhances the printer's stability, leading to more precise prints. Upon unboxing, the Ender-5 S1 requires some assembly, but with clear instructions, the process takes about 10-20 minutes. The assembly is straightforward, as the main components are pre-assembled. The cube design adds extra rigidity to the printer, ensuring higher accuracy in printed models. It offers a build volume of 220 x 220 x 280 mm, which is sufficient for most projects. All functions and features of the Ender-5 S1 are controlled via an LCD touchscreen interface. Bed leveling is done manually using 4 large wheels at the corners, but the CR touch sensor also performs an automatic level check before each print, ensuring more accurate prints. Creality continues to use the standard 0.4 mm nozzle, which can be swapped out for different sizes and spares. With the new control board and motors, a print speed of 120 mm/s can be achieved with the standard nozzle, and this speed can be increased to 250 mm/s by adjusting the settings. The direct drive extruder and tool head are compatible with a wide range of filaments, from PLA to flexible materials. The nozzle can reach temperatures up to 300 degrees C, and the heated bed can reach 110 degrees C, allowing for the use of various materials. There's no doubt the Creality Ender-5 S1 is a big step up from the Ender-5. This is a completely overhauled machine with so many additions that help dramatically boost the printer's performance. For keen enthusiasts, modelers, product designers, and anyone who wants top-of-the-range quality from a mid-range price machine, the Ender-5 S1 won't fail to impress. Sovol SV08. This printer is a Core XY model, mostly metal and open-framed, inspired by the Voron 2.4 design. The Sovol SV08's design leaves space for adding an enclosure, but these gaps don't spoil the overall look. It features a fixed bed and a non-moving, flying gantry. The motor's located at all four corners for the X and Y axes. Inspired by the Voron 2.4, work with inductive probes to ensure a perfect first layer. Belt-driven axes ensure smooth layers. The SV08's hot end is quite powerful, with an all-in-one nozzle, a large cooling fan, and a handy motherboard for the electronics. The printer is equipped with inductive sensors for hands-free bed leveling, a pressure sensor in the nozzle to find the Z offset, and an accelerometer for input shaping. It can automatically level the bed by adjusting all four Z axes and then performs a mesh bed leveling. The Sovol SV08 runs pure Clipper firmware, and Sovol claims the printer can reach speeds of 700 mm/s and acceleration of 40,000 ms too. However, for the best quality, it's recommended to set the slicer to 200 to 300 mm/s. Using Clipper makes accessing the printer over Wi-Fi easy, and files can be sent via a USB flash drive or an Ethernet cable. The firmware is set up with Crow's Nest, which allows it to automatically detect and display the camera mounted on the gantry. The interface is a simple old-school text-based module with a clickable knob. The SV08 performs an extensive leveling routine with both inductive and pressure sensors, automatically adjusting the four corners. Before probing the bed to find the correct Z offset, the nozzle wipes on a rubber brush located at the back. If necessary, the offset can be easily adjusted from the control menu for different materials. The Sovol SV08 is a very fast and large open-frame Core XY 3D printer built to Voron standards. It has a spacious 350 by 350 mm print area, and, despite its simple appearance, offers features like automatic quad gantry leveling, LED lights, and an integrated camera. Being fully open source, this printer stands out with its powerful performance and flexibility. Mingda Magician X2. This printer uses a standard Cartesian structure and takes only 15-20 minutes to assemble. The plastic outer casing protects the electronic and mechanical parts, prioritizing functionality over aesthetics. The Mingda Magician X2 stands out with its user-friendly features. It has storage slots for USB and backup SD cards, and a touch LCD screen, impressive for a printer of this size and price point. One of the most user-friendly features of the Magician X2 is its smart auto-leveling function. This function uses 16 points auto-leveling to ensure the print bed is perfectly level before each print. With a minimum layer resolution of 0.1 mm and a maximum layer resolution of 0.4 mm, the Magician X2 ensures high-quality prints. Its 23x23 by 26 cm build area is suitable for both small hobby projects and larger designs. The PEI steel print surface offers good adhesion and anti-warping properties, allowing prints to be easily released. The dual-gear direct extruder provides strong pushing force, reducing the risk of under-extrusion and supporting flexible filaments. This increases the variety of materials the printer can use and broadens its application range. The filament detection and resume function ensures that the printer continues where it left off if the filament runs out. Calibration and filament loading processes can be easily done via the touchscreen. The Mingda Magician X2 is a reliable and easy-to-use printer, perfect for anyone looking to get started in 3D printing. The affordable price tag, decent print quality, and versatile capabilities make it an excellent choice for beginners or hobbyists looking to take their projects to the next level. However, it may not be the best option if you're looking for more advanced features, a fine quality finish, or high-speed printing. Today, we reviewed the best 3D printers of 2024. I hope this video has helped you find the perfect 3D printer for your needs. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next videos.